I'm sorry about it earlier. I was just being all depressed and stuff. Can we shake off? Hey, not bad, little man. Oh my f***ing jeez! That's a little bit much, don't you think?
I don't know why we're reintroducing ourselves, but sure, I'm Shay.
What the f*** is your problem? That wasn't you. Oh my god, this motherfucker. Alright, jeez. Let's just go already. Well, you couldn't save my blue pee-pee cum, but you did save my life, so let's just have a drink of, water, since it's free. To you, little Yizzy. What? Get another one? We got no more money. I don't understand you sometimes, but I guess that worked. Thanks, man.
Listen here, son. Next time you want to fight somebody in here, take it outside. It's gonna cost you extra for the mess, or you can clean it up yourself.
Kid? My man, my man.